to receive a bottle of Night Timber, the LTA trophy, a cheque for $93,830 or £74,279, Julia Goerges. Julia, come over for a quick chat. Well played all this week. Wonderful, consistent, solid play, but you just came up against somebody today who proved what a champion she really is, particularly when you were 5-4 up in that second set.
Yeah, she just served an ace when I had set points, so I think that says it all. No, seriously, I think it was a high quality match, and Ash deserved the win because she was the better player in the important moments. As you mentioned, on set point she serves an ace, and I think I did everything I could today, but Ash was better.
But you must be really pleased with the way you played this week.
Yes, I'm very happy. I mean, I've got 7 matches here. That's all what I wanted, and I think there is a special moment today for Ash, and I'm very happy that I can share it with you. And becoming #1 in the world is a very special thing, and you became a big friend of mine, and I'm very happy that you achieved this goal.
The Nature Valley Trophy and the Maud Watson Trophy, plus a cheque for $176,215 or £139,498. The champion of the Nature Valley Classic 2019, Ashleigh Barty. Come on over here, because I want to say congratulations for winning, and it's a delight to be the first person to say Ashleigh Barty, world #1.
It's just been the most incredible journey for myself and my team, and Jules, I couldn't think of a better person to share the court with. We've had an incredible week in singles and doubles court. You're one of my best friends on tour. You've been there for me since I was just a little tacker running around annoying everybody. She's always allowed me to practice with her and kind of share her experiences. She's an incredible human being with the most amazing team, and I couldn't think of anyone better to be sitting on the court with me right now.
Before we get to congratulations, let's just talk about that second set. And you were 4-5 down, and you scored 3 aces, 1 on set point. So what about that? As Julia said, a true mark of a champion there.
Oh, I just had to go for it. I had no other choice. Anytime I left the ball hanging, Jules was absolutely punishing me. So I had to try and push that a little bit extra to try and get on top of the rallies. But as Jules said as well, it's been an incredibly high quality match and definitely a day to remember.
Actually, let's go back to that little kid bashing a ball against the wall in Ipswich, Queensland. You were hitting the ball into the night. Did you ever dream that you would be one day world #1?
I mean, you always dreamed of it as a little kid, but for it to become a reality is incredible. It really is. It's not something that was even in my realm this year. We're aiming for top 10, and now to be where we are, it's a testament to all the people around me. I have the most incredible team of people who have been with me in these last 3 years. And we started from scratch 3.5 years ago without a ranking, and now to be where we are is not only for me, but it's a massive achievement for them.
To be the first Aussie to lift the singles trophy and to be the first Aussie since your great supporter and great friend Yvonne Gilligan-Corley back in 1976. That's a real special time, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's just, I'm a little bit speechless at the moment. It's just been a whirlwind few weeks for me. It's been a whirlwind year. But to be able to follow in the footsteps of Yvonne, even to be mentioned in the same sentence as her, is incredible. And what she's done for our sport, for Australians all around the world, not just based in Australia, but she's put us on the map. And what she's done for Indigenous Australians as well has just been remarkable.
And what about celebrations? Tell us about those. What are you going to do?
Get in the car and go down to Eastbourne.
Stop on the way.
Yeah, I mean, we'll just be very boring, I think, to be honest. We've got a big couple of weeks coming up. Make sure we're ready to go, but we'll certainly be having a beer.
Ashleigh Barty, there's nothing boring about your game. Congratulations today, fantastic. Ashleigh Barty, world #1 Nature Valley Classic champion.